Welcome to static tutorial of the Em133 setting up the DOR. Now we will press a long press on the enter button to enter our password to get into the menu. Short presses and the arrows, we can change the numbers. Now we are moving to last digit, number 9, which is the password of this device, which is the default. Long press, we are now in the menu. So now we're scrolling the menu with the arrow until we reach DOR import. 1 second press on the enter button give us the values. Now we're setting the operation limit. Operation limit is in kilowatts. So now short press, we are setting the operation limit. Short press, we can change the numbers. In this case, we'll change it to 200 kilowatts. And now we're again pressing 1 second short press, and we're moving to the last. Now the release limit. We are doing the same. The short press, if we want to change, we change the same. In this case, we won't change it. So again, 1 second press, and we get back to the limit. And now we press again on the arrow. Now we have operation delay, which is in seconds. In that case, now this means 15 seconds. We can change it to whatever value we want. In the same way, we are scrolling through the numbers, and in this case, we will leave it as is. And now we will press again 1 second, get back to the value, and now it's set. Another call is release delay, which is also in second. If we want to change it, we change it. It is not set up by default. You need to set up every value. So again, short press on the enter, and now and after we set it up, a longer press, and now we choose the number of relay. Number of relay is number 1. This device is the default device. Onboard I/O, only 1 relay. If you have another I/Os with the modules, you simply put here the number of the relay you want to program. In this case, this is number 1. Again, we press 1 second, and now we have finished setting up the import. If we press the 3 second press, we'll get back to the main menu, and if we don't want, and we can set up an export DOR in the same way. Thank you all.